Welcome. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up your X30. First, we fill the rinse bottle with deionized water. Then we install the bottle in the compartment on the right side of the device. Make sure that you turn the bottle to screw it on and not the cap. Next up is the empty waste bottle, which we will install on the left side of the device. Let's switch to the back of the device. Here we connect the Ethernet cable, the USB cable which connects the device to our computer, and the power supply cable, which we then will also connect to an outlet. Now we are ready to connect the device to our computer. As soon as we have connected the USB-A plug to the PC, we can turn on the device by pressing the power button on the left side. When the green status light on the front of the device comes on, it indicates that the device has successfully started up. Now let's switch to what we can see on screen. Open the current version of the AmphaSoft PRO. If you still need to install AmphaSoft PRO, follow the instructions in the description of this video. The software will automatically recognize that a device is connected by USB. Select the device and click on Connect. Now we are connected to the device and can start with the preparation for our first measurement.